the life of egg is known to be around 12 to 24 hours.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. And the life of sperm is 72 hours. Yeah. So we generally ask patients to try between day 9, day 10 to day 15, day 16.
Okay, okay.
So this 5 to 6 days or a week in the mid-cycle is known as fertile period.
It's fertile.
Is fertile period where the patient is likely to conceive.
All right, all right. Also, ma'am, you told that progesterone बढ़ जाता है in the second part to support the pregnancy. And in some cases, progesterone नहीं बढ़ता है, इस वजह से pregnancy support नहीं हो पाती है. Is there a way that a person can find out कि उसका progesterone सही levels पे है या नहीं है?
At day 21, the progesterone production is at the peak. So we generally advise to get serum progesterone levels done on day 21 of this cycle.
Only in certain cases where there's a difficulty in getting pregnant.
Yeah, obviously.
All right.
Those who are not able to conceive, because this confirms number one that ovulation has happened.
Yes.
If it is anovulatory cycle, there is no ovulation, no egg formation. Progesterone production will not be there because corpus luteum is not being formed.
Right. Right.
And only if a cycle which is ovulatory, where corpus luteum is being formed,
जी.
the progesterone production is there. So it confirms the ovulation as well as tells about the quality of ovulation and progesterone levels also.
So there are easy treatments for these things.
Yeah, simply if this
progesterone ले सकते हैं.
progesterone supplementation treats this.
मैम मुझे मतलब किसी को भी कब आना चाहिए मतलब okay fine somebody got married for first 2 years let's say for first 6 months they didn't plan anything अब it can be voluntary choice also it can be involuntary choice of family also that to bear a child so at this point they start trying but मान लीजिए 6 महीने में भी नहीं हुआ तो at what are there any guidelines that अब उनको डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए to evaluate themselves?
Yeah. It is said that if a couple is married for 1 year and they have been trying for 1 year without use of any contraceptive and cohabitation is there for 1 year and they fail to achieve a pregnancy, then they should report to the doctor.
Okay.
So the definition 1 year, but in older women, this 1 year formula is not there. I think depending upon their age, like if they are 37, 38, so they should come early within say 3 to 4 months or maybe 6 months like this. In a younger patient which is less than 30 years or so, they should try for 1 year cohabitation, regular cohabitation for 1 year. If still there is no pregnancy or they are finding any abnormality.
Okay, of course.
The periods are irregular or something, then then also they can come early. But older women, they should report early.
Okay, okay. Let's. I think to make the मतलब एक flow के लिए, so we talked a little bit about preconception. Now we'll come to कि let's say somebody's got pregnant and now this is the first trimester that is going on. हम सब बोलते हैं कि the first trimester is so important, so important, so important. Why first trimester is so important?
First trimester is important because the fetal organogenesis, the formation of different organs of the baby is happening in the first trimester.
Right.
Later on, there is only growth and increase in size, but main manufacturing is happening in first trimester.
Right.
So if there are any medical conditions, any abnormalities, any deficiencies, this organogenesis is going to be affected. Okay. So that is why first trimester is very important. The old saying was that 3 months हो जाएंगे तब डॉक्टर के पास जाना. Now we say 3 months में तो ऑलरेडी सब कुछ हो चुका होगा तो उसके बाद तो बहुत इंटरवेंशन करने वाली बात ही नहीं रह जाएंगी. So you should report at the earliest. Whenever you get that you have missed a period and you have done your urine pregnancy test and it is positive, go and see the doctor so that appropriate tests and medicine and supplements can be advised.
मैं हूं डॉक्टर गौरव निगम और आप देख रहे हैं डॉक्टर डैड क्लिप्स जहां मिलती हैं एक्सपर्ट पेरेंटिंग और फैमिली हेल्थ गाइडेंस. फुल वीडियो देखने के लिए विजिट करें डॉक्टर डैड चैनल @DrDad और हमें सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए.
Thank you for watching this clip from the Dr. Dad Talk Show. Be a part of our parenting community for trusted guidance and clarity.